Did you know that over 2,000 years ago, a Greek genius figured out how big our planet was using nothing but shadows? This is the incredible story of Eratosthenes. Around 240 BCE, he noticed something amazing. On the longest day of summer, the sun shone straight down a deep well in the city of Syene. No shadows at all. But 500 miles north in Alexandria, shadows appeared everywhere. Eratosthenes measured one shadow and found it made a 7.2-degree angle. Here's where his brilliance kicked in. He realized this tiny angle was exactly 1/50th of a complete circle. So if 500 miles equals 1/50th of Earth's distance around, then the full distance must be 50 times bigger. He did the math. 500 times 50 equals 25,000 miles around our entire planet. The actual answer? 24,901 miles. He was off by less than 2%. This ancient Greek also invented leap years and made the first accurate world map. All this happened 1,700 years before Europeans claimed they'd discovered Earth was round.